next allegation that's been made, or assumption rather, by HD Kumaraswamy about supporting, saying that I will not support Prajwal Revanna. Now, in this video, before we see what he said, a little gist, he said that if he is guilty, he will be punished. Then he goes on to ask a question. He tells Siddaramaiah that you have formed an SIT. You're saying 2,000 plus videos about Prajwal Revanna have circulated. But do you know that he was an MP for 5 years? Then where are these videos coming from? Are they doctored? Which factory are you producing it from? And then he moves on to say that, let me tell you that who's going to protect the privacy of these families? And what about the privacy issue over here? So, Mahesh, before you can answer all these questions to us, let's take a look at this video.
ನಾನು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ಇನ್ನು ಸಮಯ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ದುರ್ಘಟನೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಂತ ದುರ್ಘಟನೆ ನಾನು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರೇ, ಅವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಮಾನ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಉಳಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ, ಸುಷ್ಮಾ ಸ್ವರಾಜ್ ಮಾನ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಉಳಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ಅವರನ್ನ ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ರೇವಣ್ಣ ಅವರದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ನಾವು ವಹಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಹಳ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಅವನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ತಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ತಲೆ ಬಾಗಲೇಬೇಕು ಅವನು. ನಾನು ಬಹಳ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮ SIT ನಲ್ಲಿ ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆದೇಶ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಒಪ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮುಖಗಳನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿ, ಅದೇನು 2,000 ಇದೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕ್ಯಾಸೆಟ್ಗಳು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಲಿ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? 2,000 ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಸೆಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ. ಅವರು ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ಅವರೇ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ 2,000 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷಗಳು ಪಾಪ ಅದೇ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅವರು MP ಆಗಿದ್ದು 5 ವರ್ಷ, ಅವ್ರು MP ಕೆಲಸನೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 2,000 ಕೇಸು ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ 2,000 ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನೀವೇನೇನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ಆ ಕುಟುಂಬಗಳಿಗೆ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಕೊಡೋರು ಯಾರು? ಆ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಕೊಡೋರು ಯಾರು? 4 ಕೂಡ ಹಲವಾರು ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳಿದೆ. ಅವರ ಪ್ರೈವಸಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದೇನಿದೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಪ್ರೈವಸಿಗೆ ಧಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಧಕ್ಕೆ ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಅವರ ಪ್ರೈವಸಿಯ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ನ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಕಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಾವು ವಹಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಹಳ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಅವನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ.
Mahesh, please tell us, I am not able to understand HD Kumaraswamy now. Is he, according to you, do you think he's trying to be clear or not clear about Prajwal Revanna's videos? Does he believe it is doctored or does he believe it is true?
Sarcasm, Sarah.
Okay.
If you hear the statement clearly, it was completely full of sarcasm. He says that there are more than 2,000 videos of allegedly of Prajwal Revanna, and more than 1 lakh pen drives have been distributed in Hassan alone. And mind you, this happened on April 21, according to Kumaraswamy. So that is 5 days before the Hassan Lok Sabha elections. So 5 days there was lull. Only the discussion happened in the Hassan Lok Sabha constituency, and of course group of journalists who were covering the Lok Sabha seat very closely. Apart from that, there was completely silent on this information. Interestingly, if you look at Prajwal Revanna's Twitter page, there is no update on his Twitter page after April 18th. So he might have got that hint before 2 to 3 days before the videos were leaked. So it's, of course, looks like a well-planned machinery. Whoever has done this, whoever leaked it, or whoever wanted to do it. So that's what Kumaraswamy hinted at, saying if there are 2,000 videos, so since when this incident started happening, whether it was, if Prajwal was involved, he might have started it long back.
Right.
If not, definitely they might have manufactured in some kind of factory. That's what Kumaraswamy says. So he also went on to he gave a hint that Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar is directly involved in this incident.
Absolutely.
And so there goes again the politics and the war of words.
Right. So it's clear, right, Mahesh, that HDK is trying to play damage control also over here. Maybe he's fearful of severing the ties with BJP, because I'm pretty sure there might be internal pressure that's being mounted, because Amit Shah has clearly come out and said BJP does not support or tolerate this kind of a case or these kind of allegations, which means that there might be some pressure if we have to look at it this way. So is HDK coming out and making these statements as a form of damage control? Is he trying to like save his alliance?
Definitely. Very important point, Sarah, here. You mentioned Kumaraswamy during the press conference clearly said that yesterday night he has sent a report to BJP High Command. So this shows that there is definitely some kind of pressure on Kumaraswamy to come clean, or at least act on Prajwal Revanna and try and distance himself from it. So definitely see, JDS leaders including Kumaraswamy or any other leader have backed Prajwal Revanna in this incident.
Right.
So there is definitely some kind of pressure from the BJP, because don't forget there are 14 seats still at stakes, and of course there is no JDS candidate, but all they are BJP candidates. So BJP definitely doesn't want this to be affected for the upcoming elections, which is scheduled on May 7. So definitely Kumaraswamy is trying to do some kind of damage control, and again time and again he is saying this incident has nothing to do with me, BJP, PM Modi, or including his father HD Deve Gowda.
Yeah.
So definitely he is trying to do avoid the media attention and try to concentrate on the election issue. But of course definitely such kind of issues keep burning in the everyday issue, because this is very, very serious stuff. So definitely Kumaraswamy is in huge trouble currently, and
Absolutely.
it will be interesting to see how he will tackle it.
Cannot escape the heat that he's facing, because at the end of the day, HD Revanna as well as Prajwal Revanna are a part of the JDS. You cannot deny that.